Hey guys, thank you for coming along for my Keto What I Ate this week. On Monday for breakfast, I had bacon and eggs. And I skipped over to dinner. I did have my cream cheese sausage green chili dip for snack. And for dinner, I air fried these 2 pork chops. They were delicious. And I decided to have one for dinner today, and the other one will be for leftovers for tomorrow. Here's my, I'm going to call it lunch, but it's my first meal of the day. So I made the air fryer Southern Keto Cookbook drop biscuits. I just flattened them down and made a mountain of a breakfast sandwich with turkey, eggs, and cheese. Yum. Hey guys, here's my dinner. I have some mashed cauliflower with lots of butter, some sour cream and chives, and I have an air fryer pork chop. Looks just like a steak. I have literally hacked how to make the best air fryer pork chops. So good. Today is Wednesday, October, I don't know, 23rd maybe. Anyways, this is my fasting morning blood sugar. Pretty high, and I don't know why, but gonna keep working on it. Here's Wednesday's breakfast. This is my breakfast casserole with a little container of salsa and sour cream. It's snack time. I am eating my sausage dip that I made in my meal prep video, and then I'm watching my girl Emily's upload today on the 23rd. So this is lunch. Well, actually it's not lunch, it's snack at 2:13 p.m. Here is my dinner for Wednesday night. This is some air fryer, pretty much baked chicken tenders, or they're more like roasted chicken tenders in the air fryer, some green beans, a little spot of barbecue sauce, and leftover mashed cauliflower. And I will be taking my super enzymes and my ox bile because I don't have a gallbladder. My blood sugar on Thursday is 165. I do not know why it's staying so high. I have not eaten anything out of the ordinary. Nothing sweet either. Here's Thursday's breakfast. This is my meal prep breakfast casserole. I do have a video on the basic version of this breakfast casserole. It's delicious. Dinner for Thursday night is a chili cheeseburger with egg using the chili recipe from the Southern Keto Cookbook. Today is Friday. My blood sugar is down to 140. I'm doing much better. About to work out. Friday's first meal is leftovers from Thursday night. I'm having a chili cheeseburger with an egg, and this is the recipe from the chili recipe from the Southern Keto Cookbook. Saturday's blood sugar is looking great. It's 124. I'm so excited. I think it just needed time to level out, but I am on track, guys. Hey guys, it's Saturday. I've already shown you guys my blood sugar. So I am making the Southern Keto Cookbook biscuits, the drop biscuit recipe. I have the recipe, and I'm going to attempt to make these in my air fryer. So let's see how this goes. The biscuits came out pretty good. I am making a keto Monte Cristo sandwich using the biscuit recipe from this cookbook. And you guys, I made catfish nuggets for Saturday's dinner. These were delicious, delicious, delicious. If you want a video on this, give me a comment. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye.